Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create amazing AI pictures for free using Imagen 4 Ultra in Google AI Studio. But first, check out some of the images I made. Look at this one, Legends of Moon Castle. Isn't it stunning? And here's Harry Potter Neon Magic Edition. The neon vibes are insane. And here's the really exciting part. Imagen 4 is now available in the Gemini API in Google AI Studio. This means you can create images like these directly in your browser, no downloads needed. Here's a sneak peek at something super cool I generated with this wild prompt. A 3-panel cosmic epic comic. Panel 1, tiny stardust in a nebula, radar shows anomaly, text anomaly detected, hull text stardust, pilot whispers. Panel 2, bioluminescent Leviathan emerges, console red text. Panel 3, Leviathan chases the ship through asteroids, console text, shield critical, screen text, evade, pilot screams, SFX, crrr! So cool, right? Imagine making something like this in just a few clicks. Alright, now let's jump into how to do this yourself. Step 1, go to Google AI Studio. First, head over to hstudio.google.com. Once you're on the page, click on Generative Media. Step 2, select Imagen. Here, you'll see multiple options, Imagen 3, Imagen 4, and Imagen 4 Ultra. For high-quality images, we're going with Imagen 4 Ultra. Set image ratio. Next, let's set our image ratio. I'm going to go with 4:3, but feel free to experiment depending on your project. Step 4, enter your prompt. Now for the fun part, the prompt. I'll start with Harry Potter Neon Magic Edition. Show prompt input. Step 5, generate another example. Let's try another one, Legends of Moon Castle. You can keep experimenting, change prompts, ratios, or even styles. The AI will surprise you every time. And that's it. That's how you can use Imagen 4 Ultra in Google AI Studio to create jaw-dropping AI pictures for free. Remember, the real magic comes from experimenting. Try mixing different prompts, styles, and ratios, and see what amazing creations you can generate. Maybe even combine ideas from your favorite movies, games, or comics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a guide like this. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below telling me which AI image you'd love to create next. Who knows? I might even feature some of your prompts in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video for more awesome AI creations.